Hi. After watching the video, click the link in the description to download the program.
Hey, Ralph Chapman here, and if you're looking to set up your shop with a limited budget and a small space, well, I've got something for you that you're going to want to take action on immediately. It's a free video presentation where you'll discover the 3 most common mistakes made when setting up your shop. Plus, you'll also discover how to set up your shop for under $1,000, including a shopping list of the best tools and exact links to buy those tools for the lowest price. And the beauty is, it doesn't matter if you don't have a huge space. I've set up shops as small as 8 by 8 feet. So I'll show you how to convert even the smallest space into an efficient workshop with ease and how to improve your current workspace. This is going to change your entire perspective, your entire approach when it comes to shop setups. So go ahead, click the link below and watch the presentation now. You're absolutely going to love it.